Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have the most amazing, beautiful picanha that I found, and I've been dry aging this baby for 30 days. Let's cut into this, man. Well, guys, as you can see, this beauty has been dry aging for 30 days, and believe it or not, I just put it outside. I just took it out of the fridge, and it's already melting. Look at my hands. This is crazy, guys. This is a beautiful picanha, and you see these little things, these little white spots we have here. That's not a problem at all. When we're dry aging a picanha, we have a combination of meat and fat, and both of them dry age at the same time. So that's some of the little issues you're gonna have. That doesn't mean anything. This picanha is perfect the way it is. We are not losing any quality here. That's no mold. That is just the way it is. But guys, I'm so ready to cut into this baby. Let's cut into this and see what happened here. All right, guys, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this baby up. We're gonna get rid of all that dark skin and dark fat and dark meat we have there and clean it up and make it look really nice. And yes, guys, this is what we got. We have, I don't know, maybe we lose about 20% of the picanha, cutting all the trimmings and everything, but I know what you guys are gonna say. You guys are gonna tell me what you always tell me. It's not worth it. You're throwing so much meat away. And that all depends on how you look at it, all right? If you go to a restaurant and you order a picanha, dry-aged picanha, it will cost you 3-4 times what would cost you a regular picanha. And this is one of the reasons, you know, besides being 30 days in the dry aging process and the whole 9 yards, you need to know that when you go to a restaurant and you order something that is being dry aged already, the first thing that happens in the process of dry aging is the water, all the moist from the meat goes away. The humidity in those places, in those warehouses or fridges or whatever the piece of meat was dry aged in, will take all the humidity away, and it will reduce the size of the piece of meat. Beyond that, when you clean it up, when you trim it, when you take all those rough and dark parts away from the meat, you're gonna also lose some meat in there. So that's why it costs so much money. But believe me, guys, believe me when I tell you, yes, you're losing 20%, maybe 25% of the picanha or any other cut that you're dry aging, but you are enhancing this by 3-4 times the flavor, the tenderness, and the beauty of the meat itself. All that said, guys, let's get into this baby. Let's cut it up. I'm gonna show you something that I've been trying to do for a long time. I've done it already before, but I wanna do it with a dry-aged picanha, and today is the day to do it. And what I wanna do with these babies today is I wanna cut them and I wanna make them in the sword. Okay, it's not a sword, it's an skewer, so let's cut this baby for the skewers, 3 fingers thick, and let's go for it. So let's get the biggest part of the picanha. Let's get 3 fingers, and let's cut right there. And do you remember those pieces that we had the other day from the Wagyu picanha we made? I still have a little piece in here, so I'm gonna put it in the skewer too, and I'm gonna try to confuse Miss Ninja and see what she said about it. We can laugh a little bit. All right, and to put it in the skewers is gonna be really easy, guys. All you have to do is just being careful. We're gonna poke it right here, right on the other side, on the underside of the piece of meat. We're gonna bend it over as a number C. You see my fingers are, the skewer is supposed to pass through my fingers, all right? So there you have it. And we're gonna get this baby back here. Now let's get the other one. The other one is smaller, so we're gonna go being a little more careful with this one. Okay, and we're gonna twist it over. And we're gonna hook it again. All right, here we have the second one. And this beauty we wanna put it on the first place. So this one doesn't have a lot of fat on the top. So Let's hook it right here. Let's bend it over, make a C with it. A number C, not a letter C. Let's make a number C. If that's not a beautiful picture, I don't know what it is. Well guys, this is looking beautiful, but I want to ask you something. Do you see how much salt I put on it? And if you haven't seen my video about everything about picanha, check it out here. There we explain everything you need to know about picanha, so you don't have to be worried. And I'm going to explain it again. We put all this salt in there because that is a thick salt. It's a sea salt that doesn't penetrate the meat, and what it does is it creates a layer outside of the meat and locks those juices in. It doesn't let them escape. When you are cooking this picanha, you are going to see the fat is dripping, but the liquids and the juices within the steaks, they are not gonna drip at all, and it's because of the salt. Once you're done with it, all you have to do is hit it a few times. This salt is gonna fall off in the grill and you are ready to go and eat it and enjoy it. Put as much salt as you think you need, and when you think you're ready, put a little bit more and you're gonna be okay. But let's stop talking about this because that whole video there is about picanha, everything you need to know about picanha, and everything is left in there. Everything I know, I put it on that video for you guys to learn. So once you're done with this video, go and check that out. Meanwhile, let's slide up that grill. All right, guys, here we have this beauty. Look at it, man. Isn't that a piece of art? Let's cut some pieces out of this thing. I can't describe to you the smell on this thing. The smell is like, it's like an old cheese. Oh, it smells so good, man. That's indicative of a good dry-aged meat. And you have to cut it really, really thin. Really small slices, all right? There you go. Look at that beauty. Look at those colors. That's exactly what I'm looking for, guys. Well, Miss Ninja, I have a nice surprise here for you today. That I mean,
what is it?
Guys, I cannot explain to you the smell we have here. It's different. It's beautiful. Miss Ninja, I have a surprise for you, and then I have another surprise for you there.
Okay, two surprises.
We have more meat cookings over there, so I had to hide it from her.
Gotcha.
But at this point, I don't think she will recognize it anyway, but Miss Ninja, let's give this a try while it's hot.
Let's do it. Let's do it. And
oh,
come on, cut me a little piece.
Oh, man.
Let's see.
There you go, Miss Ninja.
It's a little bit hard.
It's a little bit hard.
Okay.
All right, let's go for it, Miss
Ninja. Let's go. I know what it is.
My goodness, guys. There is no way you can disguise this thing. Oh my goodness. How do you like it, Miss Ninja?
I like it, but it has a very intense flavor, so I know what it is.
What is it, Miss Ninja?
This is some type of dry age.
Dry-aged picanha, Miss Ninja.
Really?
30 days dry-aged prime picanha, guys. Amazing stuff.
Texture is different.
Texture is different.
Very different.
But I cook it in the regular way, in the traditional way that is in the skewers, and It's amazing, guys.
Okay.
But you have such a cheese flavor, all right? This is what happened, guys. We did dry-aged picanha here before, but we didn't cook it in the grill, and it was not really dry-aged. It was with the bag. It was on the fridge with the bag for a month or something like that. And the reality is, guys, that the difference is amazing. Again, I'm preparing a video for you guys, everything about dry-age. I don't know if I will be able to do it with all this coronavirus going on and all this stuff, but I'm trying really hard. If I cannot do the whole thing, at least I'm gonna show you guys something that you guys, I think, are gonna appreciate. Let's try it again, Miss Ninja. Let's see what happens.
Okay, let's see.
All right, Miss Ninja, we have
Cut me
another
smaller piece, please.
Yes, let's go. Oh man.
Ready?
Let's go. What?
I like this one way better than the previous one. Is this dry-aged too?
No.
Okay.
This is Wagyu picanha, Miss Ninja. It's amazing.
I like that one better.
I like that one better. I think the dry-aged picanha is better
You do?
than that Wagyu picanha. That's an MS5, okay? It's not Japanese. MS means Australian. Marbling scored 5. It's Australian marble score go all the way to 9, and sometimes it's 9 plus.
Beautiful.
This is a 5. It's really good. It's really amazing. But the dry age, oh man, that dry age, Miss Ninja.
Yes.
I mean, I know, guys, dry aging, you have to throw a lot of meat away. You have to throw all those trimmings away. You have to do all that. But I think it's so worth it, man. It's so worth it. The flavors, the tenderness, the juiciness in the meat. Look at that. All that is uses from these little pieces of meat.
I know, these are little tiny ones, huh? What?
Let's stop talking about picanha for a little bit and let's talk about the shout out
Chef.
chef. Let's get a shout out chef, Miss Ninja.
Shake
All right,
it,
Miss
shake
Ninja,
it.
take it. No,
Shake
Miss
it,
Ninja,
shake
no.
it, shake it, shake it,
No,
shake
Miss
it, shake it,
Ninja.
Shake it, shake it. Oh, God.
That's not the way it is,
It
Miss
is.
Ninja.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Everybody says,
Nothing.
you know,
They
you
don't say
know.
anything.
Yeah.
There you go. Get it.
All right, let's go for one. I got one here. Let's see who it is.
Let me get my finger.
All right, you got your finger. Moza! Moza, you're gonna have some crazy picanha here, bro.
Yes,
This is
you will.
amazing. This is so flavorful and so good, guys. You have no idea. So, guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed it because it was a blast for us. So, if you liked the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like any of the things we do here, we have a lot of more of those things coming up. So subscribe to the channel.
Yes, you do. And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys.
And if you have any comment, any idea, any suggestion, any that you want to say to us, any complaints about the trimmings, anything, just put it down there in the comments, guys. That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you, and let's do this together. Stay home and be safe.
Stay safe, guys.